cylindrical capacitor. As you may see in this diagram, this is a cylindrical capacitor. तो यहाँ आप इस डायग्राम में देख रहे हैं, इस सिलेंड्रिकल कैपेसिटर में क्या होता है, देयर आर टू हॉलो सिलेंडर्स प्लेस्ड कोएक्सियली. जैसे यहाँ ये जो डॉटेड लाइन है ये एक्सिस है सिलेंडर्स की, और दो हॉलो सिलेंडर ए और बी जस्ट लाइक दिस यहाँ पर रखे गए हैं. सो दिस सिस्टम इज cylindrical capacitor. Now suppose radius of a small hollow cylinder is small a and radius of big hollow cylinder is small b. Length of this capacitor is capital L. Now if we give positive charge to A, by induction negative charge appears in the inner surface of big hollow cylinder, and positive charge which appears on the outer surface goes to earth. When we connect this to earth, then electrons will come from earth and they make this positive charge neutral. So there is minus charge in the inner surface of big hollow cylinder and positive charge on the outer surface of small hollow cylinder. You may see here in this diagram, this is connected to earth, so its potential, we may take its potential 0, Vb is equal to 0 because it is connected to earth. Any conductor connected to earth, when any conductor is connected to earth, its potential is 0. Now this is pattern of field lines. Field lines originate from positive charge and terminate at negative. Now field is only in the रीजन बिटवीन इन दी गैप बिटवीन दीज टू हॉलो सिलेंडर. जो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड है वो इन दो हॉलो सिलेंडर के बीच में जो ये गैप है देख रहे हैं, केवल यहाँ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड है. आउटर रीजन में कोई भी इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड नहीं है. सपोज दिस इज ए लीनियर चार्ज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. ये एक लीनियर चार्ज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है. सो वी नो दैट of very large length, so we know that at a distance r at point p electric field intensity is equal to 1/2 pi epsilon naught lambda by r. अब यहाँ देखें, ये जो इनर हॉलो सिलेंडर, इसको हमने प्लस क्यू चार्ज है इतनी लेंथ में, कैपिटल लेंथ में, इसमें हमने एक गॉसियन सरफेस बनाया विच इज सिलेंड्रिकल. तो इस स्मॉल हॉलो सिलेंडर की एक्सिस से, नॉट फ्रॉम द सरफेस, एक्सिस से आर डिस्टेंस पे पॉइंट पी पर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी यही होगी, सेम होगी. है हेयर लेमडा इज चार्ज पर यूनिट लेंथ, लेमडा इज लीनियर चार्ज डेंसिटी. सो इफ वी अगर हम इस सिलेंडर को ऊपर से ऐसे देखते हैं, सपोज इट इज लाइक दिस and this is cylindrical Gaussian surface. So E at a distance r from the axis, from here, E is equal to 1/2 pi epsilon naught lambda by r. Now if we move a unit positive charge from point P to Q, which is a very small distance dr, against this electric field, then small work done will be equal to potential difference between points Q and P. So dV is equal to minus E dr. Since E and D are at 180 degree, so vector E dot dr is equal to minus E dr. Now we know the electric field E is equal to this much, 1/2 pi epsilon naught lambda by r, where lambda is linear charge density, lambda is equal to Q by capital L, and epsilon naught is permittivity of free space. So potential difference between A and B, between A and B, VA minus VB is equal to minus integration limit B to A E dr. Now as VB is 0 because it is connected to earth, so we can write V for VA. So this is equal to limit V is equal to minus integration lambda upon 2 pi epsilon naught r dr limit b to a. Now lambda is constant here and epsilon naught is also constant, which is permittivity of free space because lambda depends on q, and for this problem q is constant. So v is equal to minus lambda upon 2 pi epsilon naught integration b to a 1 by r dr. Integration of 1 by r is log r base e limits are b to a. We also write ln r for log or base e. This is natural logarithm. So look in this diagram here. There are some more diagrams. This is when we connect this to a battery. Inner cylinder A positive terminal of battery and outer cylinder B negative terminal of battery. Now V is equal to minus lambda upon 2 pi epsilon naught, and when we put limits inside the bracket we get ln A minus ln B. Now multiply this minus inside this bracket, so this become ln B minus ln A, because minus into minus ln B plus ln B, minus into minus ln A is minus ln E. We can write V is equal to lambda upon 2 pi epsilon naught ln B by A, because we can write ln B minus ln A as ln B by A. Now capacity C is equal to Q by V, so C is equal to Q upon Q by L 2 pi epsilon naught ln B upon A. We have written here Q by L for lambda. Now Q cancels from this Q, so this becomes 1 upon 1 by L 2 pi epsilon naught ln B upon A. Now 1 by L upon 2 pi epsilon naught can be written as 1 upon 2 pi epsilon naught L. So C is equal to 1 upon 2 pi epsilon naught L ln B by A. So this 2 pi epsilon naught comes to numerator. So C is equal to 2 pi epsilon naught L upon log base C B upon A. Now capacity per unit length. So capacity per unit length C naught is equal to C by L. So C naught is equal to 2 pi epsilon naught upon log B by A base E. Now if we fill the space between the hollow cylinders by a medium of dielectric constant K. So here medium is a insulator, a dielectric. So C will be equal to 2 pi epsilon naught K into L divided by log base C B upon A. Now for log x base 10 we can write 2.3026 log x base C. So converting this log B upon A base C into log x base 10. So C becomes 2 pi epsilon naught KL upon 2.3026 log B upon A base 10. Thanks. Have a nice day.